Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropping right now, 60,500. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see this is the last few hours. Strong volume. We're getting strong bounces of 60k, but it looks like it's constantly trying to reattempt it. Looks like on the big, if you zoom out, it looks like a descending wedge. So we're going to jump onto the charts. Jesper's showing some charts about MicroStrategy in the Telegram. You can join everyone in there. There's hundreds of you online chatting together from all around the world. It's a free chat. Try to keep it in English, everyone. $2.2 trillion market cap crypto, 208,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live. You can see Bitcoin dropping right now, 60,500. You get a 60k bonus on Bybit when you sign up using this link. And there's the World Series of Trading right now, $10 million prize. Fear and greed index, fear 37. We went from greed to fear very quickly on this war with Iran and Israel. 54% Bitcoin dominance. Funding fee 0.1, so you're paying fees 60,755. Join us in the Bitcoin price.live. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, read your questions, hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Now we're jumping into the charts. Everything is a little bit red today. XRP down 4%. Nvidia slightly up. MCRT slightly up. The rest of the market all red. XRP down 4%. Tesla was down 3%, 1.3% pre-market. Solana down 3%. Uniswap 2.6%. BNB 1.2%. The whole market red. Let's go into Bitcoin 60,500. I did the weekly, monthly charts this morning. You can check it out there. On the daily, you can see that we're in this channel. On Bitcoin, this is the daily price. Each candle represents 1 day, and we're trending. It looks like we're just doing that pattern coming down to the support line down here. So the safest place to take a trade, I would say, is off this trend line. I would move it to there, 50,900. I also have a trade here at, I'll make it here, this trade. I also have a trade here at 56,000 for a bounce. 59 is a strong support, but it looks like it is going to break down. Bitcoin is trying to hold here. Stochastic is oversold on the daily, which is interesting. And any major pattern? Volume is okay, but if there's any escalation to the war, which I think there will be, I think we get a drop further down. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, Stochastic still down, heading down. Squeeze mob is going towards the green. Interesting. You can see we've got a bear flag kind of forming here. We've got pole and flag. We're having a short-term correction on Bitcoin off this Iran-Israel war news. I think this bear flag plays out, to be honest. There is strong volume coming in, though. Not as big, but very close to as big. Like, look how much volume is here. Close to where we had volume down here at 48k, 51k. We have big volume here. Right now, we have quite big volume. Let's go closer. I see on the 1-hourly, I showed you on the TV, it seems to be making a descending some kind of pattern. Let's see what forms. Because it made a higher low there, you see? That's interesting. It still looks like a bear flag, to be honest, or a bearish pennant. Like that, and it drops the distance of the pole. So we could have a drop this distance here. I would say on Bitcoin. Yeah, 56. That's where I would take a trade on Bitcoin. 56. I know people are going to be like, but I want to trade right now. This is where I would take the safer trade. 56,000, stop loss 54,000. I would go even lower, 54,300, and then take profit, take my bull market target. This is for me to catch a big swing trade going into the bull market. My target is 269 October 2025, 269,000. Risk to reward is 129 times. Risking, I would say we could take $1,500 risk to make $212,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. That's the risk. I would say that's the main trade I would take. Then I have a bigger trade already set at 50,900. This is for my big trade. And you can see over on Bybit, I've got these trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video down below, sign up to Bybit, get 60k bonus, and the World Series of Trading link is there now. $10 million of wait, I'll show you here you can see. Bybit's global competition is live. WSOT, World Series of Trading. It started already. $70 bonus for people before the 4th of October. Main event is up till the 31st of October. You can scan this QR code or in the description, $10 million prize pool. And you can see the breakdown of everything you get there. You can pause it and scan the QR code. It's already started the trading comp. Let's go into Bybit. My Bybit account right now, 644, mainly in all cash. I'm almost all in cash. I'm holding this Bitcoin 37, USDT 357, so almost all cash, 73 MCRT, Today slightly up, Bitcoin slightly down, 37, World 33 slightly down, 4% actually, World taking a hit, Uniswap down 6%, wow, Uniswap taking a hit, I'm gonna buy some. I laddering down my buys, otherwise I'll get front run by bots, you know, they'll just jump in and try and buy my buy, like try to kind of front run me. So I spread out my orders down. You see how I'm doing it? I put my buy orders below what people are, so I'm getting a little bit of a discount, but it's spreading out my orders so I don't fill the order book. I mean, for Uniswap, it's millions and millions of, or like a lot of volume, hundreds of millions of volume. So I'm not going to affect it with these buys, but I want to start adding in. So there I just bought, I don't know, maybe $6,000, $7,000, about $9,000 of Uniswap, which is beautiful. I've got no Bitcoin trades open. You can see all the Bitcoin trades I've got down. 10 at 51, 93 Ethereum 2.2, 2,400 Sol 80, Doge 2.4 million at 0.08. And you can see where I bought Bitcoin. I sold Bitcoin 65 in August, bought Bitcoin 52, sold it up here, and now I've got buy orders down. And these Uniswap buys are, let's go into Uniswap as well because I'm buying it right now. Why am I buying it? Because it already pulled back a lot. The Ethereum ETFs have started, and Uniswap is one of the stronger tokens because they make profit from all the trades. But you can see here, wow, dropping to my target, $6.30. I had it for a while. Wow, we were all the way at $8. Big drops on Uniswap the last $3 days. From $7.80 to $6.50. There's a pattern forming here. Rising wedge, no, bear flag, everyone. Could be a channel, but it looks like a bear flag, to be honest. Let's go closer. So it looks like we're going to pull back to the yellow line, everyone. So more drops in the market. This war must be escalating. Everyone, it looks like it will be an escalation. I would take out this trade at $6.50 and I would make it, wow, crazy. If it pulls back to this yellow trend line, I would be very surprised because that's the bottom of Uniswap. Like we're talking, this Uniswap has been... No way. It'll bounce off this support. Crazy. It erased all the gains of the whole year. This altcoin erased all the gains of the whole year. Lucky we sold and took profits. But you can see it's a massive descending wedge. So I want to be buying it off this yellow trend line. You can see this yellow trend line goes back to 2021. But it does look like something is going to happen to spook the markets and get a big drop. So I can be buying at $4.20, $4.30. So I'm going to wait on buying more Uniswap. I'll buy more at, I'm going to cancel this one. I bought some, but I'm going to buy more at $4.30. Better. I'll set $5,000, $10,000 buys. That would be shitty if it drops that much, to be honest. 5,000. Let's see, like maybe some bad escalation or something. I'm not sure what the news is. So I've got buy orders for Uniswap down. So that's my updates in the market. I'll go read your questions. More waffling, could, would, should. Okay, Oliver, watch my videos, learn what I'm doing, try to understand the blind leading the blind, same info. Watch, come back, apologize, say, James, you're the best. Long fleur USDT, not sure what it means. How about Ton? With more requests. James, when you shot a video yesterday morning, it seemed to me that you closed the deal and I also closed the deal with the plus. Then your second video came out, I saw that you did not close the deal. My mistake saved me from losses. Beautiful. 636.7 is the bottom. Oh, guys, I'm picking the winner of $500 giveaway right now. Over on X, I made this competition. I got to be quick because what? So over on X here, one day ago, do you think this was the floor for Bitcoin? Please comment and share. I will choose one person in the comments for 500 USDT. So then this message will go very far. We can see we had 1,265 votes. 32,000 people saw this. And the winner is, I'll load them and then I'm just going to scroll randomly. But the ones at the top have been liked the most. So ready? I'm going to scroll it and it's just whatever it stops at. Hi, James. You're the modern Robin Crusoe. I love your videos so much. Congratulations. Oh, I answered you before as well. Cool. Thank you, Robin Crusoe. So I read about this Robin Crusoe guy because congratulations on winning 500. My team will contact in private. Congratulations. I'll follow you back so you get the... and you get the price. My team will contact you, send 500 USDT. James, you're like, make sure you tell them USDT, ERC20 or BEP20 if you need to learn about that. James, you're like the modern Robin Crusoe. So I read about Robin Crusoe. He was a story about a guy that was lost on an island. And then instead of just dying on the island, he managed to build a house, build a family, hire people. And he lived on this island and became rich and then went back to Britain. He got stranded on the island, survived on the island, built up his life, became rich on the island, and went back to Britain as a rich man. Where I'm different. A rich man from the city spends his whole life to become wealthy, to go then to an island and sit next to a fisherman and retire. A rich man from the city spends his whole life to become wealthy, to then go to an island and sit next to a fisherman and retire. Congratulations on winning, Horton, $500. Will James do another video today? Yes, I'm doing it right now. There's 480 of you online. Come join us in the chat. 480 people. This chat is highly moderated. People discussing, trading, making gains together. Also, that was a long video. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Sign up to the World Series of Trading on Bybit. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.